y'all, so this is my natural hair. I don't really wear it curly often because my front, it has a lot of straight ends. And also, I just feel like it's not thick enough. So, giving y'all a glimpse of the before. This is 16 inch. It matches my hair texture almost perfectly. It came with 10 in the pack, so this is a lot of hair, which is what I like. So, we're about to see. So I'm gonna make my first part right here, cutting in the middle of my ear. And I'm gonna use the weft that has 3 pieces on it. Okay, I know my part's kind of crooked, but that doesn't matter. It'll still look how it's supposed to look. Ooh, this is thick and nice and secure. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna spray a little water and leave-in conditioner. I gotta get it really, really wet so the curls can pop. Okay, we got that all wet. Now I'm gonna go in with my weft with 4 clips and I'm gonna clip it right above my ears. So I'm gonna start right here by my ear. Okay, ends right here. So I'm gonna grab me a weft with 2 clips just to finish it off. I want to get them side by side. And then I'm going to wet it again just to make these curls pop how I want them. Okay guys, you see how wet it is? This is how wet you want it to get for those curls to really, really pop. And pro tip, don't run your fingers through it or like play too much with it before it's dry. That's gonna eliminate like the frizziness of it. So I finally made it to the top. I've made my parts. The pack comes with wefts with 2 clips on it, a lot of them. And then some of them just have 1. So I think this is for the bang pieces. So I am gonna clip it right here in the front. At an angle because I really want that fullness. I got all my clips in. The bag is all drenched and wet. I'm gonna go let it air dry because it does best when you air dry. And don't forget, don't put your hands in it because you don't want no frizz. We want them juicy curls. They blend with my hair so good. It's thick, it's juicy, it's perfect. So it's not all the way dry yet, but as you can see, the volume is there. And it's just gonna keep getting bigger as it dries all the way. Curls are bouncy, my hair is blended. Looks great. I never wear my hair curly, like I said, by itself, so these extensions really gave me exactly what I needed. The volume, the curl, the texture matches perfectly. The look is there. Like, I will definitely be wearing my hair curly more often. Easy peasy.